If I were to ask you, does your dog have emotions? What would you say? Would you say yes? Absolutely. Then I would agree with you. Yeah, you know what? Your dog, yeah, I'm absolutely sure, has an emotional life. But then if I asked you, how does your dog feel? And you replied, oh, my dog loves me and my dog feels this and feels that. Well, how do you know? What's the evidence? Because even though we can say dogs have an emotional life, because emotions are literally just our biological reactions to our environment, we can't actually say how they feel. Because feelings are human interpretations of those emotions. So we can say, yeah, we're in love, or we are so happy, or we feel sad. But how can we say that our dogs feel that too? Well, here's why I love canine cognitive science, because it's, again, asking the questions and attempting to answer those questions, very important questions, on the emotional lives of our dogs. Truly, do our dogs love us? Do they feel happy? Do they feel joy? Do they get sad? Do they get angry? Do they get upset? Do they get depressed? Do they mourn? Do they grieve? Can they feel jealous? Can they be guilty? Science is answering those questions, as well as great observational study. I mean, we can say, look, all of us are dog lovers. We love our dogs, whether we have them in our homes or we work with them. And we say, yes, I think my dog does love me. I think my dog's, but I want to have that proof. So that's what we're going to talk about in this section.